Hello everyone! This is a tubular motor that can be used in retractable awnings or patio awnings and outdoor roller shades. This motor is very powerful with a torque of 50 Newton meters and a pulling force of about 300 pounds. This motor has 4 wires, 2 power wires and 2 control wires, powered by a C110 volt. Let's take a look at the dimensions of the motor bracket and the motor output shaft. Next, we will check the size of the drive wheel, which can fit 63 millimeters and 70 millimeters pipes. Here is the mechanical limit adjustment switch, which allows for custom limit settings. The motor needs to work with this controller, which is a remote control receiver. One end of the controller connects to the motor, and the other end connects to the AC110V power supply, allowing you to control the motor via buttons or remote control. Of course, you can also connect it to other types of control systems. This motor has an IP57 waterproof rating, making it resistant to rain and very suitable for outdoor installation. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult us. Thank you!